Good morning, teacher. My name is Carlos Alberto. My last name is Rodriguez Sanchez. Israel is a very good country in tourism. Israel has the longest school life. Israel's currency in the new shekel. Israel is the country of Judaism. Israel has a great variety of music and dance. Gal practices martial arts and boxing. She cooks twice a week. Gal goes to her drawing class. She runs three times a week. She drives 5 days a week. She at 18 years won the title of Miss Israel. Gal Gadot participates in novels like Boo Book, where she plays Lisa. She participates in a well-known movie at X is Fast and Furious. Han and awards at the Critics' Choice Awards for Best Actress in Action. In 2008, Teen Time magazine listed the actress as one of the best paid in the world. Gadot has 2 daughters, who are Alma Barzano and Maya Barzano.